We recently had Buddha's Enlightenment Day ceremony, and there were all these stories that about Buddha's search for his true self, and they all culminate with the same point, which is Buddha sat unmoving under the Bodhi tree for a period of time that in our tradition says 6 years. And in the middle of the night, he saw the morning star and he got enlightenment. So that raises a question. Before Buddha saw the star, what was he? And after Buddha saw the star, what changed? After the moon rises, the stars rise. After the stars rise, the sun rises. Well, was Buddha not Buddha until he saw the morning star? Then did he get his Buddha nature from the star? And before that he didn't have it? And then he became something he wasn't because he wasn't Buddha before, but now he was and we're not and we can't, so we have to become something that we're not to be something we are? Is that the teaching? I don't think so. But that's how we feel. That's the question everybody brings to an interview is, how come I'm not Buddha yet? Maybe. So how come you're not Buddha yet? Not yet. Holding back, moving forward. Holding back, moving forward.
I was about to hit you.
You're very far away.
Oh.
How can you hit me from there?
Oh, that's too far. I'm a little closer.
I'm staying here. What can you do?
No, I'm not going to do it.
Oh, then you've already hit me.
Yes.
Good. So, finding what we already have is one theme of practice. And we drift away from that because on some level we want things to be other than they are. So then we don't look at things as they are, and then we're only connecting with the fact that it's not as we wish, and we have our frustration to guide us, and that's not a good guide.
Who says I'm not already Buddha?
I say,
Why should I take your word for it?
precisely.
Thank you very much.